Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. You are most welcome in your online class. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about exercise 2.8 that is related to addition and subtraction. And hello, I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alchem Public School and this school situated in Gola Masala. In today's class, we are going to discuss about exercise 2.8, how we can solve the stepwise subtraction and addition, and also we have to learn how we can find a number that is more than, that is less than, and what should be added to. Okay, so without wasting our time, common question, and let's start. And that is exercise 2.8. That is exercise 2.8. Exercise 2.8. The first question is in exercise 2.8. First question is solve the sums. Solve these sums. Okay. So solve these sums. Yeah. As you can say, solve stepwise. Solve stepwise. Okay. So the first question is 4617 plus 2415 minus 5918. Firstly we have to add in 4617 and plus 2415. 7 5 12 2 1 carry 1 1 2 1 3 and 6 4 times 0 1 carry and 4 to 6 1 7, that is 7040. And now we have to subtract 5980 from 7042. 12 minus 8 4, and here will be 2 minus 1 2, and here will be 9 minus 9 0, and here will be 6 minus 5 1. So the answer is 1040. Okay, now come on next question without wasting our time. The second question is, the second one is 2365 2365 plus 2365 plus 1687 minus 1979. Okay, let's solve it. Firstly we have to add 2365 and 1687. 5 7 12 1 carry 6 8 14 150 1 carry 3 6 9 1 times 0 1 carry 2 1 3 1 4, that is 4050. Now we have to subtract 1979 from 4052. 12 minus 9 3, 12 minus 9 3, and 14 minus 7 7, here will be 0, 9 minus 9 0, and 3 minus 1 2, that is 2073. Now come on the next question, that is question number 3, and what is it? That is 7315 minus 7315 minus 4782 plus 1508. Firstly we have to subtract 4782 from 7315. 5 minus 2 3, 11 minus 8 3, and 12 minus 7 5, and here 6 minus 4 2, 2543. And now 2543 plus 1508. 8 3 11 1 carry 3 1 4, and 5 5 times 0 1 carry 2 1 3 1 4, that is 4041. Now the next one is, that is question number 4. And what is it? The question number 4 is 1359 minus 979 plus 2648. Firstly, we have to subtract 979 from 1359. 9 minus 9 is 0, and 15 minus 7 8, and here will be 15 minus 7 8, and here will be 2. 12 minus 9 3 0. 380. And now add 380 and 2648. 088 8 4 12 1 carry, this is 9 on 10 2 on 2. That is 3028. Now come on the next question. Now come on question number B, and the question number B is find a number that is find a number that is find a number that is 563. Question number 1. 563 more than 563 more than 8978. Okay, you have to find a number that is 563 more than 8978. Let's take an example. Find a number that is 3 more than 10. Find a number that is 3 more than 10. So we have to add 10 and 3, that is 13. So the number is 13. So we have to add here. Find a number that is 563 more than 8978. So we have to add this number. So 563 plus 8978, that is 8 3 11 1 carry, 6 7 13 1 14 1 carry, 5 9 14 1 15 1 carry, and 8 1 9. So that is 9541. So this number is 9541 is 563 more than 8978. Now come on second question. That is second question is 2053 more than 10615. More than 10,615. Okay, so we have to find 2053 more than, find a number that is 2053 more than 10,615. So we have to add 2053 plus 10,615. 538 516 6 and 0 6 2 and 1, that is 12,668. 12,668. So the number is 12,668 is 2053 more than 10,615. Now come on question number C. And the question number C is find a number that is find a number that is first one is 2867 less than 8978. Let's take an example. Find a number that is 3 less than 10. Find a number that is 3 less than 10. So we have to subtract 3 from 10, that is 7. So this number is 7. So we can say that 7 is the number. 7 is the number that is 3 less than 10. Okay. So we have to subtract here. So we have to subtract 2867 from 8978. So 8978 minus 2867. 8 minus 7 1. 7 minus 6 1. 9 minus 8 1. 8 minus 2 6. That is 6111. Now question number 2. And what is the question number 2? That is 4071 less than 4071 less than 4071 less than 7340. 7340. Okay, so let's subtract it. When we subtract 4071 from 7340, that is 10 minus 1, 9, 13 minus 7, 6, and here will be 2 minus 0, 2, and 6 minus 4, 2, that is 2269. Now come on the next question, that is related to what should be added to. Now come on the next question, that is related to what should be added to. That is question number D. What should be added to? Okay, what should be added to? So now come on the question. The question is 1672. First one is 1672 to get 1672 to get 3400. What should be added to 1672 to get 3400? If I say what should be added to get 5, what should be added to get 5? Okay, then you will say you have to add 3. You should be added 3 to get 5. Okay, so let's come on question. So that is question is what should be added to 1672 to get 3400. So we subtract 1672 from 3400. Okay, 10 minus 2, 8, and here will be 9 minus 7, 2. Here will be 3, 13 minus 6, 7, and here will be 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, when we add 1728 to the number 1672 to get 3400, we should add it to 1728 to 1672 to get 3400. Okay, so now come on question number second, and the question number second is 978 to get 9780. So let's subtract it. 9780 minus 978. 10 minus 8, 2. Here will be 7 minus 7, 0. And here will be 16 minus 9. Sorry, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, 8. And here will be 8802. Okay, now come on third question, and third one is 2783 to get 4511. Okay, so 4511 minus 2783. 11 minus 3, 8, and here 10 minus 8, 2. 14 minus 7, 7, and 3 minus 2, 1. 1728. Note it down and take the screenshot. And now on next day we will solve exercise 2.9, that is last exercise of this chapter, and after that we have to proceed on next exercise that is related to multiplication. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. keep continuing, and you have to protect yourself and also to protect your family from this disease. Okay, thank you.